Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be talking through a physics key equation and we're going to be looking at calculating the force exerted on a spring found in CP13 and SP15. Okay, so to work out force on a spring in newtons, we take the spring constant in Newton meters and we multiply it by the extension in meters. This is written as F equals K times X, where we have F representing the force, K represents the spring constant, and X represents the extension. Okay, so if we want to put this into a form of triangle to help us rearrange it, it would look like so, with F along the top and then K and X along the bottom. So if we cover up K to begin with, spring constant, to work out spring constant, we would take the force on the spring and divide that by the extension of the spring. If we want to work out the force on the spring, we would multiply the spring constant by the extension. And then finally, if we wanted to work out the extension of the spring, it would be the force on the spring divided by the spring constant. Okay, let's look at a worked example for this now. A spring has a spring constant of 500 Newton meters. Calculate the force needed to extend it by 20 centimeters. Now, key thing here is given us the extension in centimeters. It should be in meters, so we need to convert that. So 20 centimeters is 0.2 meters. Okay, so it wants us to work out the force. Look at our formula triangle to help us rearrange it. So our force was along the top, and then we had the spring constant and the extension along the bottom. Let's work out force. So this is our calculation. Force on the spring is equal to the spring constant multiplied by the extension. Substituting the numbers we have at the top. So our spring constant, it told us, was 500 Newton meters. And our extension was 20 centimeters or 0.2 meters. So 500 times 0.2 is an answer of 100. And it's force that we're looking at, so our unit is newtons. So the answer is 100 newtons.